this video will provide you with an introduction as you get started in Google presentations. When you first begin a Google slide, you'll want to choose a theme. You have a list to select from, but we'll just go with the default Simple Light and click OK. One of the first things we want to do is give our presentation a name. So we'll click up here where it says Untitled Presentation and name it. Across the top of the screen, you'll notice the menus. We'll take a look at each one. The File menu has New, Open, and other options, like downloading your presentation or publishing it to the web. You also have the option to import slides. This can be helpful because you might have already made slides in PowerPoint and you can import them into your Google slideshow. You'll also see the page setup area so you can change margins and orientation. The Edit menu has the usual cut, copy, and paste, undo, and redo. Your View menu includes Present options, HTML view, and Animations. Animations will open up the animation pane. The Master button will allow you to create a master slide to use for your entire presentation. Insert has an extensive list of items that can be placed onto the slide, including images, text box, shapes, word art, and videos. You can also place numbers on each slide here. Your slide menu contains specific options for the slide, like changing the background or theme, applying a different layout, and adding transitions. The Format menu has the normal options like bold, underline, and italics, plus paragraph styles, line spacing, and lists. If you have any shapes or images on the page, you will also see some basic image editing options and adding lines onto your slide. The Arrange menu has options for layering and aligning objects on a slide, rotating images, and even grouping multiple objects as one. The Tools menu has some handy features like the spelling checker and the research tool. You can add a table to a slide, and all of your formatting and content options will be in this menu. And then, of course, the Help menu, providing a quick way to access Google Help and get your questions answered. Just like in the other Google tools, there are quick buttons across the top of your screen. If you want, you can hide those menus with these arrows over here. If you hover over each of the buttons, you'll be able to see what each one does. You also have some handy buttons here for background, layout, theme, and adding transitions. When you want to add a new slide, you can simply click the plus here or drop down the menu and go ahead and choose your layout. And again, one of the best parts about Google is that every time you make a change, Google saves your presentation. There is a Comments button and a Share button here at the top. And then you also have a button to present. You can start from the beginning, you can use your speaker notes, or you can present in a new window. Speaker notes are down here at the bottom, so you have your slide area where you can add content, and then if you want to add speaker notes, you can click down here in this box and add any notes there. You also have the option to hide speaker notes altogether. If you do place an image on the slide, you can right-click on it and see all of the options that can be applied to it. These will be the options most commonly needed when editing a picture or clip art. Well, that is a quick look at Google Slides. Thank you for watching.